Hey everyone, it's Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. For this video, I'm super excited about. We're going to be opening some boxes that I received from McCart. I think I got these, I want to say like 2 or 3 days ago. So the first box is from Your Nail Lab, which is their monthly subscription package. And then the other one is just a regular, you know, one of their classic pink boxes. Not really sure what's in here, but yeah, we're just gonna jump right in. We're going to get started. I know a lot of you guys like seeing nail mail or nail hauls, so if there is a specific shop that you guys want me to check out and go see what kind of goodies I can get, please link it below or DM it to me or tag me in somebody's post where you think they have a lot of nice stuff that I would like, whether it's glitter, any kind of like little nail art and trinkets and stuff like that. I'm really excited to see kind of different people's take on what their choices on their websites are, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so like I said, let's just jump right in. We're get started. We're going to open these boxes and see what kind of goodies we have inside. All right, so this is the first one and the second one. I don't know, I kind of feel like I want to open. Ooh. Oh my God, in the world? I think I'm gonna open the Your Nail Lab first, which is their monthly subscription. So I did receive these, I think I want to say 3 days ago or 2 days ago. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Your Nail Lab in a box, which is yournaillab.com. And ooh, flowers. I just did a set, which is this one right here, using flowers. And I kind of wish I got these beforehand. Super pretty, right? Okay, so I zoomed you guys in. So let's take this out. Ooh, so we got some pretty flowers. I love flowers. The way I actually have a whole like different system when I store my flowers. I actually store them by color. So you guys already know I'm probably gonna separate these by color, but these are super pretty. What is this? Oh, we got some Polygel. What is this? What color is it though? This might be clear. Oh no, this is clear. Okay, so it's 922. I'm actually gonna go ahead. I'm gonna swatch these off camera because we have this one that is called Rosemary. We have a clear. You guys already know clear is clear. So I am gonna swatch the Rosemary and this blue one really quick off camera. But let's just keep going in and diving in. These are so cute. So we have some roses and some hearts. This is definitely perfect for Valentine's Day that just passed. But everything honestly looks very almost like spring-like. Super pretty. I love these. Super cute. I love these little kind of dainty things. Ooh, so we have a pack of red. Let's open this real quick. So we have a pack of red sequences. So we have butterflies, hearts. These are letters, more hearts, different size hearts, stars, circles, more stars. A whole bunch of little different kinds of shapes. Cute. Ooh, I am in love with these kind of things. Oh, I love, there's like a little bow. Majority of these are bows with, I don't know, this looks like a circle thingy. I don't know what that is. Super cute. It's kind of hard to see because of the hollow background. Oh, so pretty. We have some gel polish. This one is 996. Oh, I can't open that. 996 and 995. If there's any kind of gel polish that you can't open, if you take a rubber band, it gives you a better grip to open your bottle. I actually broke mine, but I like it because it's a thick one. I think we got this from, I got them from my mom actually. OMG, this is pretty. So once again, this is 996. Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I love that. I feel like I haven't did a nail haul in so long. This one is 995. Ooh, just as pretty. What is that? It's like iridescent it looks almost like a goldish tone to it in the blue. That is so pretty. Ooh, I am excited for these. And then we have the McCart's rhinestone glue. I hope this is the same formula as it was before. I was stuck on this glue so bad. I was like so in love with this glue. This was the best glue ever. And then I finished my glue, and then I ended up coming up with my own line, and I kind of based it off of the way like this glue was. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the same one. I was in love with this glue. But yeah, I'm excited. So that's everything that comes in the Your Nail Lab. Okay, so this is the blue and green, very spring, summer type feel. I am loving it. So this is everything that is part of the Your Nail Lab in a box, which is all of these goodies. I'm really excited to do a set using these polishes because you guys already know, like if you guys watch my channel, I'm not a huge polish lover. I like to do a lot of art with it, or like I encapsulate it a lot. But yeah, I'm excited to use these and incorporate it with my system. They are so pretty. So once again, this is everything that you are going to get if you do get your monthly subscription box. Super excited about that. We're gonna push this to the side and open the second package. Okay, so for the second box, let's see. Ooh, what? So happy Valentine's Day, XO McCart. So this is supposed to be for Valentine's Day. I definitely got it after Valentine's Day, which I'm kind of bummed out about. Oh, I already see a nail decor kit that I could have definitely used for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna push this to the side so we can go in one by one. Let's zoom you back in. Okay, so the first thing is the nail decor. I love these little things because they are always coming out with new little trinkets and stuff. So I'm glancing at the box, and a lot of this stuff looks like it's like sold separately on, you know, McCart, and they kind of just put together a Valentine's Day box, which is really cute. So we have some stickers. I'm pretty sure there's another sticker. This is so cute. I could have definitely used this. Like I said, I'm kind of bummed out because that would have been perfect for this for this Valentine's Day. Okay, so there's 3 different kinds. So this one I love because I don't have these stickers. I love this one. Super cute. This one I think I have already, but it's still really cute. Super pretty. Mine's is a little bit different actually. And then we have this one. And then, oh, there you go. Let's do that. That's what this looks like. McCart has a lot of little decor kits like this, which I think is really good. It's really affordable, and they're tiny amounts. Like you don't need a lot of decor to make a whole nail design. But super, super cute. I love a lot of glitter. We have a couple of stones, and then Fimo. That's not what it's called. Is that what it's called? Anyway, you guys know what I mean. Super cute little charm. So yeah, that's what this look like. So this is the decor, nail decor kits. Ooh, we have some blooming gel. I've never tried the McCart one. I've always used the Mia Secret, so I'm excited to try this McCart one. We have some nail art brushes, which I love. I love these rounded ones. I love that. Cute. This is a set of 6, 7. 7, I can't count. Some pump up long stiletto tips. I've never used the color ones. I have the clear ones, which I really like. I'm actually really excited to take these off. I'm not gonna take these off anytime soon because they're still, you know, brand new. But we are definitely going to use these in the future. I am excited. I am loving that cream color one. I'm already looking at it. There's a lot of different shades in here. It looks like four different shades or 3. I'm excited for this box. Super cute. Super cute. We have some soak off gel nail polishes. Let's open this up. Oh man, they're all pink. I'm so mad. I Could have definitely used these for Valentine's Day. Let's open each one up and see. Okay, so automatically I'm gonna take these out because these are a top coat and a base coat, which is a clear. But definitely you always want to use a base coat if you do use your gel polish on your natural nails especially. So we have a top coat, a base coat, and both of these are 8 ml. So I would swatch these, but I don't have my I ran out of swatch sticks. Oh, this one's pretty. So this one is $4.91. I may just put it on a card so you guys can see them like all across. $4.92. Ooh. $4.93. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna put it on a card because it looks like you can't really tell the difference. $4.94. Ooh, this one's a pretty pink color. Pretty pink. They're all pink. Pretty shade of pink. $4.95. It's more like an apricot color. This one is $4.96. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so the top row is what all of the gel polish colors looks like. Super pretty, different shades of pink. You know, I just realized I never swatched the other two from the nail lab box. Let me do that really quick. Oh my god, they are so pretty. Okay, so this last two is what these, what do you call that? The one that came in the your nail lab, which is these two bottles right here. But look at that shimmer. Y'all, it is so shiny. I don't even know if you guys could really get the full effects of it on the camera. But these are all the shades so far that we came out with. Well, they sent over. I am in love with these. They are so freaking pretty. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so the last thing that they sent is this, which is the pink nail extension gel kit. And I know they have like a purple one and, oh my god, I need a blade. A purple one, a pink one. I'm using my hair. Little clip. Ooh. You guys know me, I love pink. This is so freaking pretty. So pretty. Okay, so once again, I'm gonna swatch these real quick on that same card, but we have 4 polygel colors. We have the nail surface, what is it, cleanser, which doubles up I think as a slip solution if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. I'm pretty sure you could use this also as your polygel solution, but it just doesn't say it, so I don't know. We have a nail file, 180 grit nail file. I love me some pink. We have the brush. This is a really bright brush, but the McCart brush and picker they call it, which you pick up the polygel just like so. Super cute, really pretty. And then your base coat, and I'm pretty sure this is your top coat. Yep, top coat. So top coat, base coat, and then we have some nail forms, nail dual forms, meaning you put the polygel inside, you put it on your nail, pop it off, and then, you know, your nail extension is already there. Holy freaking moly. Okay, so look at these 4. Okay, so first of all, this is clear. Everybody knows what clear looks like, but OMG, look at this. This is so gorgeous, this color. So let me just get the polygel real quick. So these colors are these 4 polygels in the exact order. So this last one is, what is this, 834. Look at how bright that color is. I don't even think you guys, yeah, you can see it. So pretty. So this is definitely a sheer and this is more opaque, but y'all, I am like in love with that hot, it's like a hot pink, a translucent hot pink. So gorgeous. I am just loving everything that I got from McCart. Of course, I am a hard gel lover. Hard gel will be like my primary choice of nail product to go towards. But if you guys are a polygel lover, I love McCart. Like, McCart has really good products when it comes to polygel. I'm super excited about this. I'm excited to use it in different ways than you might think. This is everything that I got from McCart, which I am super grateful for. They sent me a lot of fun little goodies that I am excited to use. I didn't really want to do a nail design in this video. I kind of just wanted to dedicate it to McCart and just show you guys all of the fun, cute little things that they have. If you go down in the description box, you can find a link to McCart as well as a promo code so you guys can save extra money on your purchases. I also want to do another nail haul pretty soon. So if there is a specific store or even like a small shop or business that you want me to check out and see what kind of goodies they have, leave it also in the comment section, because then I could go and just make a nail haul video for you guys with all these amazing new little trinkets and shops that, you know, you guys recommend. But yeah, that is it for this video. As always, thank you everyone for taking time to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.